it is mentioned, and Fravashis was written somewhere between, take a guess, but 1500 BC to maybe 1200 BC. I'm talking about BC, Fravashis. And in that one it says that all the Farohers of the departed come back to home. And a number is Yaao, Visaadh, Avayanti, Hamaspatmedem Pajiratum. They come in the Hamaspatmedem Gatha, Yavata Vichari, Dasa Paili Shafno, for the 10 nights of days and nights. They come and they are roaming into the streets, that's what they say. And then they make a very interesting plea, and it is in our prayer. Ko no stava, who is going to praise us? Ko yazaite, ko upyat, ko fina. Who is going to talk about us? Who is going to take our name? Means remember us by name. Nam Garan. That came from the Fravashis. Who is going to remember us by name? Who is going to give us food? And who is going to give us clothes? And you remember, we know about fruit, but remember our Yaao? The Yaao is the custom that with every badge of Farohar, whether it is yearly, monthly or so, Bhastame Ijo means there is a prayer that you do, and you always have the Yaao of all the things you wear, and especially it is for Jamo, Lengo, Sadro, Kasti, Topi and so on. And then you give that after the prayer to the priest. So they have even asked for that kind of thing, who will give us the clothes. And you know, I get all the time, you know, somebody says, but how can we have this one here when we are already having some prayers in Bombay? And how can they be in two places? And I only say, we all are, the Fravashi is a spark of Auramazda. He has a Fravashi, we all have Fravashi. He's everywhere, and I don't say anymore. So, you know, in my opinion, a prayer is a prayer, whether it is prayed 1 time, 7 times, 10 times. And if you feel like you know, after praying this, you feel like elated, for me especially, sort of thing. And so I answer it that it has no restriction. All the restrictions are man-made and so on. And you want to pray, you pray. It doesn't make a difference where you are. And if, you know, with all kinds of restrictions like that, if you think about it, you are belittling Dada Urmas. Like, you know, he's so incapable of taking our prayers from 2 sides. He's overburdened. Overburdened is you with the wrong thoughts. But anyway, that's beside the point. Okay, that's my sermon for the day.